Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best extendable dining tables that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Target Marketing Systems Tiffany Drop Leaf Dining Table. A high-quality dining table will not only complement a dining room but also provides a decent service for many years to come. Better yet, this table delivers this convenience while still saving your space. Tiffany dining table occupies minimal space and extends to accommodate 2 more people when the need arises. This makes it a must-have for people who live in a smaller apartment but love having their friends come over for dinner. This multifunctional table is not only ideal for dinner time, it also serves as an excellent choice for family game nights, craft projects as well as a dedicated desk space for group meetings. Similarly, this table is built to last. It is made of superior rubberwood and has strong tapered legs as well as a sturdy base. Besides, the white finish brings a homey touch to your kitchen as well as your patio. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Walker Edison Furniture Company Solid Acacia Wood Dining Table. The Walker Edison furniture is a truly lavish dining table that keeps your family and guests comfortable. It combines functional and modern accents, which brings a warm and welcoming atmosphere. This exceptional table is not only ideal for dinner time but for various recreational activities with your family. Thanks to the extendable design, you can now take part in cool board games or craft projects. Having been constructed using solid acacia hardwood, this model is exceptionally sturdy and durable. It features a hideaway butterfly leaf, which provides extra space when needed, and folds away to save space. When it is fully extended, this table also features an additional 5th leg that provides the much-needed support. Moreover, this table has a smooth surface and rounded edges that allow for easy and fast cleanups. At number 3, we have the KET-WHI-TP, a Pedestal Oval Dining Table. With a mordant, stylish design, it is hard to overlook this extendable dining table. We love the buttermilk and cherry color finish, which brings out a trendy and classic feel. This versatile table has a versatile 18-inch extendable leaf, providing extra sitting for your guest. This feature is also crucial for people looking for larger table space, especially when dealing with craft projects. Additionally, this model makes a perfect choice for family evening games such as board games as well as playing card games. It is made of solid wood, ensuring superior stability and durability. Equally important, this model requires minimal assembly. This allows you to be settled in no time. Another excellent feature that we love is the surprisingly lightweight design. With this in mind, you don't have to struggle when moving it from one place to the other. At number 2, we have the NOFK5MAHC5 PC Kitchen Nook Dining Set. With the NOFK5MAHC dining set, you no longer have to worry about your small dining room space. This table saves your much-needed space thanks to the quick extension feature. As you would expect, this table is crafted from solid wood for enhanced durability. Plus, unlike other models, this table comes with 4 chairs. The chairs boast of a solid wood frame and a well-padded seat, boosting your overall comfort. Looking to add a jovial look to your kitchen or dining room? Then you will love this model. This set combines a beautiful finish and a modern style, which adds a breathtaking beauty to your dining room. For enhanced stability, this model also comes with a strong structural base. Moreover, the well-rounded edge and smooth surface makes it not only safe for kids but also easy to clean. And finally, at number 1, we have the Crosley Furniture Shelby Expandable Dining Table. Bringing a charming appeal and practicality, the Crosley Expandable Dining Table blends classiness and modern functionality. Plus, we love the well-rounded corners, which offer an updated softness style at the same time, making it safe for young kids. It comes with a decent size, which provides room for 6 individuals. If your family is smaller, you can also remove the middle leaf to achieve a more intimate dining experience. Plus, this model boasts of an easy-to-assemble design, charming details, and a classy finish. Whether you are looking for a decent choice for a small apartment or saving space in your kitchen, this model will not disappoint. When not in use, this table collapses into a small size, which is easy to store. Alongside being an excellent space saver, this multifunctional table also serves as a center table game, as well as a breakfast table. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.